Another tool that we will be discussing is the Transcribe by Really.com. Yan, maganda rin tong tool na to that you can use. So there are a lot of options, right? A lot of options to make your life easy. So like I said, same thing with the other software, you need to log in, and of course meron siyang free account, and then there is a trial period for about 7 days. Okay. So, ito, so basahin nyo lang, meron ditong 4 times saving ways. So, meron siyang, since wala ka namang foot pedal, so sabi dito meron siyang 4 times saving ways to convert audio to text incredibly fast. So, okay. So, itong 3 na to, pwede natin ito magawa. Ito, wala tayong foot pedal. Pero hindi naman kailangan. That's just another way to have the dictation. Now, click on transcribe now. Start transcribing now once you are already logged in. Okay, so kanina I played around with this tool just to make sure that it's gonna be seamless when I create the recording. So ganito siya. There are 2 ways here that you can create when you transcribe. Actually, let's go ahead and delete this. So, meron siyang 7 days trial period when you use this software. So, play around with it before you purchase something. Okay? So, let's try muna yung automatic transcription. So, this one, um, if you are on a trial period, you can only choose 1 minute per trial. Pag paid ka na, how much is this? So, $20 lang naman. O, murang-mura lang guys, di ba? $20 lang per year. So, it's a very good investment, I would say. Kasi mababalik naman siya talaga sa'yo kapag marami kang mga clients eh. Right? And then, 20 plus $6 for automatic transcription credit. So, that's $26 for an entire year. Ibig sabihin, isang taon mo nang magagamit to. Guys, huwag niyong panghihinayangan yan. Sobrang mura niyan. Okay, and then since we are on a trial period, yan muna. Tapos transcribe a portion of the file. You can use that. You can insert time codes. You can use subtitle, custom dictionary. Okay, and then this time we will select your file. Now, ito ginawa ko, ano lang siya, 24 seconds lang para hindi masyadong mabigat yung pagta-transcribe niya. Hindi masyadong mahaba. And then click on upload. Tapos, ayan, wait nyo lang siya. Meron din siya ditong mga information na binigay na wala. Basahin nyo na lang yan para makita nyo. Ngayon, ayan, so hinihintay natin. It's being transcribed at the moment. So, magshikahan muna ulit tayo. Mabilis lang yan, no? Konti na lang. See, there's a lot of ways in order for you to do this. There's no reason. Actually, maganda nga rin siya eh, di ba? Kasi, extra gig, extra racket. Kapag nagkaroon ka naman ng maraming mga client, ang dali nang kumuha ng portfolio eh, kasi marunong ka na eh, di ba? And you are experienced. So, a lot of people are looking for experienced transcribers. And if you get 1, 2, 3, 4 clients, o kaya gawan mo ng free, di ba? Because once you get them, obviously, meron ka lang nasa portfolio. And paulit-ulit lang naman yung ginagawa. So, ito na siya. Ito yung ating transcript. Right? So once again, you can edit and you can also export transcript. So click on export transcript and nada-download siya. There you go. Ito na siya. Okay? So once again, this is a machine transcript. Make sure that you edit. Another way to do that, let's go back to the beginning. Pakita ko sa inyo kung paano yung self-transcription. Ayan, ito yung na-create natin just now. Self-transcription is this. Kiklik mo yung dictate. So, halimbawa, mahaba yung file. Okay? Pwede naman yung kanina, syempre kapag ka naka-annual payment ka na, naka-premium ka, unlimited na yon, right? This one, you can transcribe manually without alternating between an audio or a text editor. Look at this one. So, you can choose an audio or video here, or you can load a YouTube video. So, either or. Now, gamitin natin to.
Empowerment is authority. It is a signed permission slip to actually seize the day. It's the process of getting stronger and more confident and more engaged. And to be empowered is to move through the world without any kind of fear or any kind of apology.
Click mo lang yung dictate. Nakita nyo? So what you can do is, let's say if it's a long audio, iwan mo lang siya and it will do the description, do the transcription for you. 'Di ba? How cool is that? Ang galing-galing, 'di ba? Yan, that makes your life so easy. So there are other options here. Once again, you can slow down, you can speed up, you can rewind, you can fast forward, you can insert the timeline. There's an auto loop. I don't know what that means, pero we don't probably need that. Siguro yung auto loop, no? So check nyo na lang dyan. And then this is the play and pause. So ito rin yung kanya mga keyboard shortcuts sa Mac, right? And then after that, what we will do is download the document. Okay, so same thing, download, click download, and you are good to go. And that's how you use transcribe.really.com.